I'm going to run through 5 LinkedIn prospecting tips and tricks that very few people actually use. So the first one that you can do, when you go to somebody's profile and they fit your target demographic, look down the right-hand side. And what you're going to see is you're going to see people also viewed. So what typically happens is if you've pulled someone up who could be a potential sales prospect to you or account that you want to go after, other people are looking at people that are similar to him. So this is a great way to find other people that you could also put into your prospecting list to go after. Tip number 2, take a look at who's viewed your profile. So when you look at on LinkedIn, you can look at my profile, but also when you're pulled up there, you can take a look at who's viewed your profile. And when you click on that, so in this case, on the left-hand side, you see 479 people viewed your profile. You click on that, and what happens is it's going to bring up a list of people that have viewed your profile. Now, if you have a free account, you're only going to go see the last 4 people that viewed your profile. If you have a premium account, it shows you the last 90 days of people that have viewed your profile. So the neat thing about this is people are finding you for a reason. And when they find you for that reason, what you can do is you can see who they are and then reach out to them. And what I would do is you can connect or try to connect with these people. So for example, in this case, I would click on Bill White's profile and I would say, hey, Bill, I see you took a look at my profile the other day. If there's anything I can help you with, more than happy to jump on a phone call. Just let me know. In the meantime, would love to connect with you on LinkedIn. Regards, Chris. And then that way, you can actually grow your connections on LinkedIn and also find potential people to be doing business with as well. Tip number 3 is save searches. So when you go into the search functionality in LinkedIn, what you could do is when you find a certain specific search that you like, so in this case, I'm looking for people with the title CFO or Chief Financial Officer. I'm looking for second level connections in Calgary. I can save this search. What you do is you go down below on the right-hand side, it says Save Searches, and you click Manage or Create Search Alert. And when you click on that, it's going to bring it up, and you can create an alert that's sent to you via email or also on your desktop as well. And you can receive this alert never, weekly, and monthly. My recommendation would be to put it in weekly, but this way you get to see people that are starting into new positions in companies or have changed something on their profile. And one of the things that's great about that is typically they may be looking for a change in some of the things that you do. So they may be looking for a new accountant, for example. Great way to find potential opportunities. Tip number 4 is looking at people's contact and personal information. So a lot of the times people will put their contact information in their profiles. Or if you want, you can go down the right-hand side and it says contact and personal information. So in this case, I can see from a website that someone's got some information there or their Twitter profile. Now you will not, if they're not connected to them, you're not going to see their email address. But sometimes people in their summaries or in their profiles will put their contact information in a means to get a hold of them. So take a look through people's profiles to find that kind of information as well. Last but not least is a premium InMail from LinkedIn. So when you do a search of people, what you're going to find is some people have premium accounts, some people don't. So you have free accounts. So literally only about, I believe, 18% of LinkedIn's users have a premium account. But when they have a premium account, and how you can tell that is that little gold emblem on someone's profile on the left-hand side. If you click on it, depending on how their account's set up, it allows you to send them a free InMail message. Now, normally that costs $11 to buy an InMail to send to somebody. But in this case, when someone has a premium account, you can actually reach out to them directly. So in this case, if I want to reach out to Brad Matson here, and I'm not connected to him, I could click on InMail, it pops up, and then in that InMail message, down in the bottom right-hand corner, you're going to see if you actually have to pay for it or if it's free. If it says free message, then you can send this person a free message. And that's how you can send an InMail message into people. So in this case, you can reach out to Brad and say, hey, Brad, came across your profile on LinkedIn. Here's what I do. Here's the value I provide. I'm wondering if we might be able to jump on the phone, and I could tell you a little bit more about that.